Some local people are pushing for changes at the state level. As we told you first on 10 News, charges are not being filed after an investigation into a Roanoke nursing home, but that's not stopping the push for change. In a 10 News investigation, anchor Jenna Zibton is working for you, finding out what they're doing next.
Changes could be coming for how your loved ones are taken care of if these two get what they want.
Virginia apparently is among many other states that provides little guidance within the law about the standards of care that are required for nursing homes or assisted living facilities. And that presents a problem for criminal prosecution in that you don't have a standard against which to gauge what has been done or not done.
Roanoke City Commonwealth attorney Donald Caldwell knows that well. His office decided no charges could be filed after investigating 3 cases of possible neglect at Raleigh Court Health and Rehab Center, including 96-year-old Helen Norfleet, who died after 2 toes had to be amputated. Caldwell says our 10 News investigation uncovering the major gaps in Virginia policies and laws showed exactly what needs to be done.
You've done a good job of taking some examples of where the system is not doing as well as it can, and you've done a comprehensive overview to try to be sure that people get the best care possible. We need to take a hard look legislatively on what we're going to require for businesses who operate in this area.
Will you be talking to legislators?
I will be. Delegate Head has a lot of experience in this area. It might be we can get something before the General Assembly as soon as this next session.
Julie Parsons is Norfleet's granddaughter.
I feel devastated. I just have been so heartbroken not to have my nanny.
After her death, Parsons became an advocate for others in nursing homes.
And you're not going to stop pushing for change?
No, I will advocate for change. As long as I'm here on this earth, I think there needs to be some real strict guidance and regulations and some new laws put into place that protects our elders.
Staffing standards, the number of people who are working on duty, those are all things that need to be addressed in order to have a criminal prosecution. But I would stress that having the ability to have a criminal prosecution is not really your goal. The goal is to have the best possible care.
As we've reported, Virginia lawmakers tell 10 News more needs to be done to protect people in nursing homes, and we'll be watching what happens in Richmond at the Capitol. Jenna Zibton, 10 News, working for you.
Jenna has been investigating this since last year. You can find all of her stories on WSLS.com. And if you have concerns about the care of a loved one, let us know by looking for this story on our website.